All right, students, let's go ahead and take a look at our spelling words for this week. Okay, our spelling word pattern is O-A, O-E, and O-W, just like last week, but this time with suffix endings. Okay, so we remembered that the vowel teams O-A, O-E, and O-W all make the long O sound. Remember, the long O sound is when O says its name. Repeat after me. O-A, boat O. O-E, toe O. O-W, snow O. Remember that OW can also make a sound other than the long O sound. It makes the ow sound in some cases. Repeat after me. OW, plow, ow. Very good, students. All right, so here's what makes this week's spelling words a little bit different than last week's. All right, if you remember on our foundations board in our classroom, we had these long suffix endings, right? Endings that can be added to words that already exist, that already stand alone, right? Now remember, we had all of them that we would add to the words. Okay, I made them look like it here on our slide. Okay. So ED endings, okay, there's three ways to pronounce ED, right? Ed, duh, and t, right? They all have different pronunciations depending on what word they're at the end of, okay? And they all make the action word that they're going on, they're saying that that happened in the past, right? ED endings mean the action happened in the past, okay? We add ED most of the time onto verbs, okay? So here are some examples. Liked, chased, spilt, closed, baked, and asked, all right? You can hear the different ways that those ED endings sound, like in spilt versus enclosed, right? Those endings sound different even though they're both sounds ED, all right? Now the other suffix ending that we have here is ing, okay? Ing endings mean the action is happening right now, okay? So for example, if I use the fork, no, I am using it right now, right? Like if someone asks you to borrow something, let's say they ask you if they could please borrow the red marker. You could say, no, you can't right now because I am using it, right? You use that ing to show that the action word or the verb is happening now. So use changes to using, ride changes to riding, make changes to making, hope changes to hoping, hide changes to hiding, stand changes to standing. You can see here that they gave you examples in the top 4, 5 that you drop the E to add ing. That's a spelling word we should always follow. A spelling rule we should always follow. If your word ends in E, you drop the E to add ing to make sure it's spelled correctly. Okay? Here are two other suffix endings that we've learned about that we are going to review and that we might see in our spelling words this week. Okay? You are definitely going to see the ending S, the suffix ending S. Okay? That makes the noun plural. Plural means more than one. Okay? It means you have more than one or something. So originally you have one cat. When you add the S to it, all of a sudden you have more than one cat. You have cats, 2 or more, right? Book changes to books, coat changes to coats, girl changes to girls, drink changes to drinks, and ring changes to rings. You can see that all of the words that we added S to were base words that stand alone by themselves before we added the suffix S. Okay? Now it's important to note that you can't just add S to every word to make it plural. Okay? Sometimes you need to add ES, okay? And ES also makes a noun plural or more than one, okay? However, you need to add to words that end in S SS, X, CH, SH, and Z, instead of just adding S, you need to add ES. For example, bus ends in S, so we make it buses. Dress ends in double S, so we make it dresses with an ES. Box ends in X, so it becomes boxes. Peach ends in CH, so it becomes peaches. Dish ends in SH, so it becomes dishes. And quiz ends in Z, so it becomes quizzes. All right? So here are our spelling words for this week. You're going to see, just like last week, words with OA, words with OE, and words with OW. But you're also going to see that you have suffix endings S, ING, and ED. Okay? So the first word, I want you to go ahead and repeat after me. Goats. Second word, repeat after me. Toads. Third word, repeat after me. Boating. Fourth word, repeat after me. Roads. Fifth word, repeat after me. Toes. Sixth word, repeat after me. Foes. Seventh word, repeat after me. Shows. Eighth word, repeat after me. Mode. Ninth word, repeat after me. Elbows. 10th word, repeat after me. Blowing. Here are your trick words for this week. First trick word, repeat after me. New. Second trick word, repeat after me. Lose. Very good, students. All right, before we go, I just want to remind you that all base words, that all of these words have a base word and a suffix. So if we were in foundations, we would underline these base words and circle the suffix, right? So we would underline goats and we would circle S, okay? So I'm going to take a circle, all right? We would circle S. Oh, that's not see-through. Let's make it see-through. Okay, that the suffix is S. The suffix in toads is also S. So we would underline the base word toad and we would circle the suffix S, okay? In boating, I'm going to make this a little bigger because ing is a longer suffix, okay? We would underline the base word boat and circle suffix ing. In roads, road is the base word, so we would underline it. It's a word that can stand on its own. And S is the suffix, so we would circle it, okay? Think about what the suffix is in toes. You're right. The suffix in toes is S, so the base word is toe and the suffix is S. That's the same in the word foes. A foe, remember from last week, is like an enemy, right? So now you have multiple enemies. Uh-oh. All right. Shows, same thing. Base word show, suffix S. Mode. The word mow is a word on its own. And then you're going to add, uh-oh, it's going to be bad. Hold on 1 second, students. You're going to add suffix ed, right? Just a little bit bigger. Mowed. He was mowing the lawn. Dad mowed the lawn yesterday. Mom mowed the lawn yesterday. Okay? Now you have suffix S again here, base word elbow, suffix S. And then blowing. Again, the word blow can stand on its own, and blowing, ing, is the suffix. All right, students? So now that we're looking at this way, you're going to see a lot of similarities from what you remember doing on Mondays in your spelling notebooks, okay? Remember, we're pretending like we're in school as we're doing a lot of these lessons. All right, students, so what I need you to do now is I need you to stop this video and I need you to go on to Google Classroom, and underneath the video, I need you to click on the Type Your Spelling Words 3 Times document. It looks like this, okay? So it says here, type each word 3 times to practice this week's spelling words. I've given you an example of how I've written out goats, not once, not twice, but 3 times. All of the spelling words are here for you. You just need to go ahead and type them. Okay, don't worry about the formatting if it gets messed up as you start to type. If you want to change the color of the text, you can go up here and you can click the colors. All right? Okay, students, good luck with the rest of the lesson. I will see you very soon. Bye.